tribes that there is a possible change in weather. So in short po, the dragonfly dance is a way of weather forecasting for them. How about a round of applause? Alright, so by the way, everybody, can you give way for the tooties out here? This is the way for the tooties kasi papanain nila yan.
Tayo dyan na.
Papanain nila yan. Joke lang. Ayan, so the next dance naman is one of their favorite dance. So actually, this is the hunting dance for them and it is called as monkey dance or sayaw ng unggoy. So for them, there's no other animals here in the Pacific Forest that can motivate the flexibility of the monkeys when it comes for hunting. And for some other reasons, the monkey dance is a means of playing or the pastime of the younger Aitas. Alright, here is Kuya Chesty Boy to perform the monkey dance or sayaw ng unggoy.
Ayan ka. Galing.
Palakpakan naman natin si Kuya Chesty Boy for the monkey dance. Okay, so the last dance naman po is no longer an animal dance but it plays a big role to their tribe. So with the use of bow and arrow, that's why that's for sayaw ng pagbabayani. So during the olden times, nung panahon nila, if there is a misunderstanding arises between the two tribes, and before they send their young men into the real battle, they do perform the rite dance or sayaw ng pagbabayani to ask for the guidance of their god name. Apo na Moriari or also called sa Black Nazarene to ask for a victorious man. So this is the ritual dance for them because they believe that the best dancer will be the best fighter. So they're using their that weapon, and in their own dialect po, it is called as Yahoo and Bai. But in Tagalog po, it is called as Pana and Talasok. Ayan. So again, that's Jersey and Joe. Wow! Alright! Now get around the paglos to our performers. Palakpakan naman natin. Ayan, so that is the end of the short but meaningful presentation of them. Palakpakan naman po ulit natin yung mga item vloggers. Okay, so to everybody for the group of letter E and also for Kuya Chiwa's group. Everybody please don't stand up and follow us this way. Going to our last attraction.
Kala ko let's pray. Kala so stand and pray. Yun ang tunay na Pinoy.